Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with lettuce. Start by washing all fruit and lettuce thoroughly under cold running water. Chop firmer fruits into bite-sized pieces and tear lettuce into bite-friendly shreds. Combine fruits and lettuce gently in a large bowl, toss with a light citrus dressing, taste and adjust sweetness, garnish with mint or a sprinkle of nuts if desired. Rinse and dry fruit and lettuce thoroughly to avoid dilution and sogginess. Use a mix of textures: crisp apples, juicy berries, soft bananas, and crisp lettuce leaves. Keep bananas and avocados separate until serving to prevent browning, and toss with lemon juice if needed. Make a quick dressing with orange juice, honey, and a pinch of salt to brighten flavors, then chill briefly before serving. Serve cold for a refreshing side or healthy dessert. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future recipes. Quick recommendation: pick Darn Tough socks for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty, ideal for kitchen prep or outdoor picnics. They fit snugly, wick moisture, and replace cheap pairs that wear out quickly. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you want extra comfort. Now let's get back to the video. Layer lettuce at the base, then add firmer fruits followed by delicate berries to preserve texture. Toss gently, folding ingredients with a large spoon to avoid crushing soft fruit. Adjust dressing sparingly and reserve some for guests who prefer drier salads. Add toasted nuts or seeds for crunch and a light dusting of cinnamon for warmth if using apples. Serve on chilled plates to keep everything crisp. Enjoy with family or at picnic gatherings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.